Well, before adding customer profile, it's a good idea to define what type of customer we are entertaining. Click on List menu and select Customer Type List. Well, QuickBooks has already added a few types here, and if you are okay with them, just leave it as it is. And if you need to add more, just select New under Customer Type and write your customer type and click on OK. Here you can see that the new customer type has been added to the list. Moreover, if you want, you can make a subtype of your customer type too. And if you want to keep your customer list concise, then either delete or inactive the ones you don't use. So instead of deleting, I'm making them inactive.